Assalamu alaikum viewer. This is the first one lecture on differential equation solved through Mathematica. This one is the first order differential equation and their types. In few lecture we will discuss. Now first of all we start with the separable equation. You know what is separable equation. This is the definition and explanation. How we solve the separable equation in Mathematica? Our question is, we use the dsolve command when we solve first order differential equation in case of separable equation. This one is the command that used in Mathematica for solving separable equation of all kind. First of all we write dsolve and the square bracket y prime of t. In this one is the y prime, mean the first derivative. If we take the second derivative we use y double prime. If we take third derivative we use y triple prime, and t is, this one is dy over dt. We always defined the independent variable with this square bracket and we use equal sign 2 times, then the right hand side of that equation. After using this one comma, and again the function of y, mean the independent variable and the dependent variable. Okay, this one is the example. If we want to solve this problem, y prime minus y prime square y square sin t equal to 0, and another problem is this one. First of all we start with the first part, a part. Here is the manual solution of this problem. Now we are talking about only for Mathematica and computing programs to solve this equation. Now how to solve this equation? Let's start with this. This one is solution A. It means the solution of A. This is not necessary to write solution A. You can write anything here, but you should keep in your mind, in any case when you give the name of any equation, that should be start with small letter. No one use the capital letter on first one. Furthermore, you should keep in your mind, this one solution A is not necessary. You can put or write anything here as you want. Is equal to, here we use only one equal. We use two equal when we are in dsolve command and use the square bracket. In square bracket we use the two equal, not two equal here. Now this one is dsolve and we are here, this one is the y prime. We solve this y prime and this y prime depend on t, and we write t minus and then y square. This one is y t and square. Some students write this one in this form, first y and then square after t. That is wrong. You use this pattern to solve. Next one is sin t. Now we write sin t and then use double equal 0, after that comma, and y of t. Y is the dependent variable and that depend on t, and t is the independent variable. This is the pattern. Then we click shift plus enter, we get the result. This is the result. If you people want more simple result, then you use simplify, then it's automatically simplify and get more further simplest result if possible. Now students, if we want to solve this problem, how we solve this problem, let's move on this problem. You people can watch, this is the manual solution. We want the solution in Mathematica. We write this one, that equation in this way, S1 apart. No, this one is not the solution. This one is in separately written. We write this apart. It means we want to make partial fraction or in two different parts. After that we will solve this one. Before to go on this one, I am talking about the first problem, that is the A. We need the graph of this problem and some more things like that. Let's suppose we put here two plot A. This one is same, that is use, it is depend on u, and this one is equal. After that this is table, and the table, in table we use the square bracket, and the square bracket solution A. That mean we put this one here. You people use anything, any name, then you use that name here to plot a solution, and their value is 1, 1 and 2, and the backslash point C of 1 approaches to minus iota, that is C1 approaches minus 1 and comma iota 2 and 10. Here we give the value of C of 1, we provide the value of C is minus iota, and variation in iota is 2 to 10. We get the result in tabulated form. Then this one is the plot, and we use the tool tips and to plot A, t 0 to pi, plot range 0 to 1, x origin is 0 0. First of all we write this one in tabulated form, and then we plot this one. This is not the plot, this is the table, and we get the result in this table. Now we want to plot these value that is in table to plot this value we note it here. We use the plot and tool tip and this one, and we give the variation t 0 to 2 pi. We vary the value of t 0 to 2 pi, and plot range is 0 to 1, and x origin is 0 0. You can change the origin as you want, and all values are depend on you as you want to put. Okay, simply I am going back and discuss again. This is the problem. This is over separable problem. We need the solution of this problem. We simply use this command and get the solution. The next one is we need the solution in tabulated form for different values of C. We need the different value. We want to use the different value of C and want the result of this solution. Now for this purpose we use here this command, and for different value of C we get the result. After that, by putting the different value of C, we get a table, and this table we want to draw a graph on the base of this table. Now then we use this command and we get the graph. Okay student, we will meet in next lecture. Thank you very much for watching Education for All.